Is crypto arbitrage trading profitable? Let's try with 100 USDTs in crypto arbitrage trading and see how much we'll make with this amount. So what is crypto arbitrage trading? We should understand that first. It is buying assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and selling them at a higher price in a decentralized exchange. So we are using two exchanges here to trade crypto arbitrage trading, and that is Binance and Ranquilly. So where do you get Binance? In Play Store. Where do you get Ranquilly? Just go to your browser, search ranquilly.com, and make sure you verify your email and KYC. How do you get free classes? You get free arbitrage classes by clicking the link in my bio, and you join my Telegram channel and learn more about crypto arbitrage trading. What is the best capital to start arbitrage trading? You can start crypto arbitrage trading with a capital of 200 USDTs and you make good profits. So we are trading crypto arbitrage trading, buying low on Binance, of which we have already done and funded our Ranquilly, where we'll sell at a higher price. Then the merchant will send our profits direct to our Binance account. Where do we start trading crypto arbitrage trading? This is where we start. And our challenge from 100 to 2000 USDTs is almost getting there. We are at a balance of 1,692, and today I want us to stop at 1,800 USDTs. So we start by copying our Binance address so that the merchant in arbitrage trading can send the funds direct to our external wallet. So we come on add funds. Then we click on deposit assets. We choose the cryptocurrency, that is USDT. We want to trade USDT. Then we choose the network, TRC20, copy the address. Then we go to our Ranquilly, where we get our arbitrage opportunity. We click on P2P arbitrage. After clicking on P2P arbitrage, you don't buy, but you sell. So you click on sell. After clicking on sell, get the best merchant. Like this one with a rate of 2.01, and he's called CryptoVault. He is verified. Percentage rate is 97%, so which means is not bad. Minimum capital 144. We can afford 144 without any problem because we have a lot to trade. So I will enter amount. We can trade with the minimum 144. Then we choose external wallet. So we don't receive in Ranquilly, but if you want to receive in Ranquilly, you can go watch my previous video that I made today and learn on how to receive in your internal wallet. So I'll click on external wallet, and because I've copied Binance address, I'll click on Binance, then paste my Binance address. So then I review. This is my arbitrage page. So USDTs, I'm trading 144 USDTs with a rate of 1.0 bot, selling at a rate of 2.01. Gross value of this arbitrage trade is 289, but there is P2P fee, which I'll be deducted and receive 283.65 in my Binance as my final trading amount. It has escrow. I told you to go and click on there, then learn more about escrow. As long as the exchange has escrow, you don't have anything to worry about. So this is crypto arbitrage trading tutorial, and we are receiving our profits direct to our external wallet. So no need to withdraw, no nothing. That's how we do it, and that's how we make profits with crypto arbitrage trading. So let's wait for the merchant to send the profits direct to our Binance account. Then we come and release our arbitrage trade, and we see if arbitrage trading is actually profitable or not. So that answers the question, is crypto arbitrage trading profitable? And I will say yes or no at the end of this video. So after waiting for some minutes on arbitrage trading, my arbitrage trade has been paid to 83.65. You can see the deposit. I'll come and confirm on Binance if actually I have been paid. Yes, I've been paid because this is the transaction, and my balance has changed to 1,976. So I'll go to my trade, confirm if that is the correct amount, 283.65. That's what I was supposed to be paid. And yes, I can answer you that arbitrage trading is profitable because we had a capital of 144. That is what we used to trade, and we got 283.65. So that is comes around to 143 in USDT's profits. So I'll come and scroll down, then I click on released wallet. Then this one goes to the merchant, and me, I get my profits in Binance. So I haven't made any withdrawal. You can see that. Even if we go on transaction history, you won't say that I made a withdrawal. No. I just made some profits and they were sent to my Binance exchange. So that's how you make profits with the crypto arbitrage trading. Make sure if you have any question about arbitrage trading, you chat me or you comment, and I will answer how you make profits with crypto arbitrage trading. So I think tomorrow we'll hit our target because we can't lack to make 34 USDTs. If you missed this one, we'll have another challenge from 2,000 to 3,000. So we are escalating things and making good profits. Make sure you don't miss out.